What if I told you that there's a stock that's flying quietly under the radar? One that's riding this wave of defense contracts, government spending, and national security infrastructure. The stock is AMTM, AMTM. And we just uncovered it live in our live session this morning when trading in our daily live session. And if you ever want to join us at tomorrow's market open, it's the second link in the description to get you in lifetime access, and you get a free t-shirt included, like this one I'm wearing right here. So we enter this trade, it's up to about $72 profit. And one thing to note about this company is they're in a growing defense market, but they recently IPO'd. So their stock doesn't have a pattern that I can really show you. It's only been around since September 30th, 2024. And since then, it was kind of volatile, definitely a huge surge right at IPO, and then it sold off and just recently broke up above the 200-day moving average up to $22 and then sold back down to, wow, it's a gorgeous sunset tonight. It just sold back down to this $20 price point and recovered to $21.55. So we traded it this morning because of a big dip right here at market open. You can see that we capitalized just so far, pretty small position, but about $72 profit. I wouldn't say like super small, but I think we're in it for about 5,700 there. And after that, we saw that the company had a nice surge up, and so I can't really do much with this pattern other than just saying I identified a really recent trend. It's this trend right here where it just broke up above the 200-day moving average, and there's this resistance right here and the support that you can kind of make out a little bit. Okay, and you can see that it started to recover. So essentially, I was looking at this, seemed like the overall direction was starting to look good. And in our live sessions this morning, we were talking about it. We're saying, hey, it's an interesting one. So we ended up entering a position. I'm seeing a 5% potential swing there, but also some potential growth in the stock. The reason why is because we're done with the chart. There's not much other than it looked a little oversold, so we bought in. But if you take a look at their earnings, they have a $5.2 billion market cap. So fairly large company. And if you look at their financials, though, they're generating, this is kind of rare to find these types of valuations. They're generating over $2 billion per quarter, and in continuity, you see it quarter over quarter to 2.2, then 3.42, and then recently 3.49 in their recent earnings. And it's astonishing. Their revenue's up 70% year over year. Their net income's up 109% year over year. And they have a positive cash net income. So their profit margins are positive and they're up 105% year over year. Whereas if you take a look a year ago, they were negative 25 million in a quarter. So they're really positive now, and that's a good sign financially. So outside of that, when we were looking at their investor relations and some of their recent news, and before we even kind of jump in fully, just to give you guys an overview, we recently went to the Space Symposium. So we just went there back in April here, and we got to meet a lot of companies that are in the space tech industry. Okay, and one of the companies that was there was this company. So if you take a look at their recent news, you see where they've had some announcements. They have the launch of secondary offering. They got a new vice president, but then they got this. They got $247 million global counter threat finance contracts. So they're getting $250,000 deals, then another $360 million deal, and this is in April. So not to say that this will really be included in their earnings. So their next earnings also looks pretty good. And then they got recently selected for Oasis Plus, which is an on-demand service for the government. You might be saying, what do they do? What's putting them in this position? Then a $447 million contract for Air Force's asset management service program. And then there's a contract with NASA there as well. And so they're getting all these partnerships that look fairly good. So you take a look at some of their news and how things are going for them. We could just kind of look at what it is that they do, right? So take a look at their government contracts. They have them all here. I got this pass next to me for Space Symposium, and I got to actually see this company at the Space Symposium. And I got this, it's a SpaceX pass, media pass, and I got to actually meet this company in person. So when somebody brought their attention to me in our live session this morning, I was thinking, that's interesting. I thought that we just maybe saw them here. And if you look at some of the news, they even direct from their site, here it is. I don't know, am I in the background of this photo? Just kidding. But, well, maybe. But actually, they had this event here where they had their own pop-up, and you could see they have their Department of Defense endorsements and pretty good contracts happening there. And they're in space servicing and aerospace defense. So growing company with fairly small market cap for how much money they're making. And I find that to be pretty cool. So with the, and that was something I was looking at there. I don't know if you guys saw that. I just recently saw that Robinhood was running ads that we partnered with them. I don't know if you guys saw this here. It's changing the game on how you can trade equities, options, and more. And yeah, so I'm getting a bunch of texts, getting some people saying, hey, what's up with that Robinhood ad? So yeah, we do have a partnership there with the channel that we recently made as a result of just jumping into quarter one as a quarter one deal, and then potentially here there could be some more happening with Robinhood here in the near term. So look forward to maybe seeing some more stuff there with Robinhood. Really great company to work with. Now, when it comes to AMTM, they recently started to push up. We're looking at this swing of about 5% potential for profit on the near term. We don't really know what could happen after that because they're just kind of near their all-time high on the charts. So we got to approach it with a little bit of caution. But again, I'm going to hold this level. It's right here. This is the support that I would find to be a little bit less risk for an entry. That's why I entered. So I will be watching it closely to see if it holds really well above this 2150 price range. And we'll be most likely, as we already entered the trade, monitoring it throughout this week. Could be a week-long trade, possibly a little bit shorter, depending on how it reacts at market open tomorrow. So that will be one we'll follow. And again, space companies, AI companies, quantum companies, those are the types of stocks that we cover. If you guys are interested in getting the scoop on the best space and tech companies in the world and stay up to date with the AI boom, I would encourage you guys to simply and totally consider that we have our daily live sessions, the second link in the description if you're not there already. Stockmate, again, free t-shirt, and we just recently opened up the lifetime access for those of you guys that maybe missed it. So you get lifetime access, and one of the hidden benefits there is you get our daily live trading every morning when I go live Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Pacific time. So really exciting times. Would love to have you there tomorrow at market open. So guys, when it comes to AMTM, we'll be keeping you up to date, and we'll see if it holds this level. I'm looking for that 5% swing potentially here in the next few days. If I earned your thumbs up, hit the like button, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.